In Excellence Wins, host Schulz, the co-founder of the Ritz-Carlton Hotel Company, shares his invaluable insights on what it takes to achieve world-class service, leadership, and personal excellence. Through his journey from a humble hotel worker to a pioneering force in the hospitality industry, Schulz proves that excellence is not an accident, it's a commitment. In a world where mediocrity is tolerated and shortcuts are abundant, he presents a no-nonsense philosophy on how individuals and organizations can rise above the competition and consistently deliver the best. Schulz believes that excellence starts with purpose. Organizations that lack a clear mission or a commitment to quality drift into mediocrity. Whether leading a team or serving customers, having a deep sense of purpose and a vision for what great looks like is essential. Leaders must communicate this purpose to their employees, ensuring that everyone is aligned with the company's values and working toward a common goal. When individuals understand that their work contributes to something meaningful, they take pride in delivering excellence. One of Schulz's fundamental principles is that customers should always be treated with dignity and respect. He emphasizes that world-class service is not just for hospitality, it's a universal principle that applies to any industry. Customers don't just buy products or services, they buy experiences and relationships. To achieve excellence, employees must be empowered to go above and beyond to meet customer needs, ensuring that every interaction leaves a lasting impression. Schulz instills a culture where every employee, from the front desk to the CEO, sees themselves as a crucial part of delivering excellence. Excellence is not just about one-time success, it's about consistency and culture. Schulz highlights that organizations that excel are those that hold themselves to the highest standards and refuse to compromise on quality. Leaders play a vital role in setting expectations, inspiring teams, and leading by example. Employees should be given clear standards, ongoing training, and the encouragement to take ownership of their work. Companies that create a culture of excellence enjoy greater employee satisfaction, customer loyalty, and long-term success. At the heart of Excellence Wins is the belief that great leadership is about serving others, not exerting power. Schulz argues that leaders must set high expectations while providing their teams with the tools and support to succeed. The best leaders don't micromanage, they empower employees to make decisions, solve problems, and take initiative. Employees who feel valued and trusted are more likely to perform at their highest level. Schulz stresses that leadership is a responsibility, not a privilege, and those who embrace it with humility and dedication will build lasting success. A major theme of the book is Schulz's refusal to accept mediocrity. He believes that too many businesses settle for good enough, which ultimately leads to failure. Instead, he encourages individuals and organizations to constantly seek improvement, never compromise on values, and always aim for excellence in every detail. Whether it's the way an employee answers the phone or how a product is presented, small details define great companies. Excellence is not just a standard, it's a mindset that must be embraced at every level. Schulz underscores that excellence begins with the right people. Organizations should hire not just for skills but for attitude, commitment, and alignment with company values. Once the right people are in place, continuous training and development ensure they stay engaged and committed to delivering excellence. The best companies invest in their employees, helping them grow not just as professionals but as individuals. Beyond business and leadership, Schulz emphasizes that excellence is a personal commitment. Whether in work, relationships, or personal habits, individuals should strive to be the best version of themselves. Discipline, attention to detail, and a strong work ethic set extraordinary people apart from the average. Excellence is not a one-time achievement, it's a lifelong journey that requires constant learning, adaptation, and a refusal to settle for less.